Welcome. Today, we're diving into a super convenient feature on the Messenger app that many of you will love, sending multiple videos with text to a group chat on your PC. With the latest update, this process has become easier than ever, and I'm here to guide you through the steps. So, let's get started. First up, you'll want to open your Messenger app. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the group chat where you want to share your videos. Finding the right group is essential, so scroll through your chats or use the search function if needed. Now that you've found the group, open the chat to enter the conversation. You'll see a few icons at the bottom of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Look for the photo icon or the option to attach a file. Click on it to begin the process of selecting your videos. Next, it's time to find the videos you want to share. Your File Explorer will open, allowing you to browse your folders and locate the videos. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click on each video you want to send. This nifty method allows you to select multiple videos at once, making the sharing process quicker and more efficient. Once you've selected all the videos you'd like to send, it's time to add a personal touch. Write a note or message to accompany your videos in the text box. This could be a description of the videos or just a fun message for your group. Finally, when you're all set, hit the send button or simply press enter. Your videos, along with your message, will be sent to the group chat. It's that easy. Enjoy sharing your moments with friends and family using this new feature on Messenger. Happy chatting!